One of the biggest problems of a freshly graduated physiotherapist is they know exercises, but they don't know how to design a structured program. Just knowing exercises is not prescribing exercises, because randomly telling 3 sets of 10 repetition doesn't make any sense. Hello everybody, I'm Aishwarya, a physiotherapist. Welcome to this channel. Most physios know all the exercises that exist, like squats, clamshell, bridges, TheraBand exercises, but many physiotherapists, like fresh graduate physiotherapists, do not know or actually not taught when to progress the exercises, when to regress the exercises, how much load to give, and how to adapt one kind of exercises in that particular individual. So in the real world, when the patient actually asks the physiotherapist, how much should I do of one particular, suppose they say squats and you prescribe squats, so the patient will ask how many repetitions should I do. So the physiotherapist suddenly in panic he or she says that you do 3 sets of 10 repetition. So rehab is not just random exercises. So you as a physiotherapist need to know how many repetitions or how to progress or structure or give a framework of rehabilitation to your patient. So why does this happen? I feel it is because the exercises to the students are taught very theoretically. Learn about anatomy, but not often we're taught about strength principles, conditioning, load management, adaptations, and also long-term progressions. Whether if it is ACL injury or low back pain or stroke rehab or any kind of sports related issues or neuro related issues, exercise is just like treatment, but that's not the case. So what is the solution? How do students improve? So how do students improve is a very simple topic where I can talk, where you start thinking like a coach. You find out what is the goal of the patient, why this exercise is being done, rather than just thinking about this exercise, these many sets. Just don't think like that. Start thinking what is the adaptation role that is required for the particular sports performance, and which kind of sport, and what is he trying to aim for. So here is a quick practical framework that I can share with you. So while prescribing any exercises, think about 4 things, that is goal, load, progression, and function. So first is the goal. So what is the patient trying to achieve and what is his goal? Is it for improving strength? Is it improving for endurance, mobility, balance, proprioception, or just return to sport? For each goal, there is a different kind of exercise prescribed. So you need to know how to prescribe and for what goal you're supposed to. Second is the load. So is it too hard for the patient to perform, or is it too easy, or are you giving enough challenging exercises for the patient? Because if it is too low, then you progress. If it is too challenging, or if the patient cannot do, you come down, you regress. So based on the patient and the goal of the patient and how he's performing, you give the load. Third is the progression. How will you make this particular exercise more harder or difficult to the patient over the period of time? Suppose today I am giving 5 kg dumbbell. How will I progress this 5 kilo to a 7.5, or when will I progress to the 7.5 or further? That is progression. And the last one in this kind of framework that I have made is the function. Is this exercise or the exercise that you are prescribing as a physiotherapist helping him in any functional activity or in his daily living activity? Because the most important framework or the thought that you have to have as a physiotherapist is the patient should get back to their functional goal. Suppose if it is stroke patient, is he able to walk, is he able to sit and stand? These are the exercises that help him come back to the regular life and lead a near normal life. So if you are a best physiotherapist, don't just give out handouts or pamphlets of exercises. So you as a physiotherapist should need to know about movement, loading, progression, and also understand the patient behavior. I hope you have learned a lot about prescribing exercises as a physiotherapist in this video. Hope to see you all in the next. Subscribe this channel. Okay, bye.